yan sa BOC. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Dan. Yes, as I said earlier, pagpapatuloy natin yung topic na yan dun sa next hearing natin dyan sa Bureau of Customs. Yes, and last but not the least, on the issue of drugs, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Mr. Maiksi lang to, isang question lang po sa current customs officials. Kasi as I've heard kanina, doon sa sagot ni former Commissioner Feldon at saka ni Commissioner La Peña, it was admitted by them na indeed there is a TARA system in the customs. Eto, attorney, ikaw nga 2009 ka pa, mas nauna pa ka sa kanila. Parang kanina, parang ayaw mo pang aminin na may sistema dyan. Di ba? Mas nauna ka sa kanila, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Now, maswerte ka, hanggang ngayon nandyan ka pa. Now, eto, attorney, narinig mo ba yung yung supposedly proposed reforms that was proposed by Commissioner Paildon and Commissioner La Peña with regards to modernization and digitalization of the customs?
Actually, Your Honor, at the currently...
No, yes or no lang po.
Yes, I have heard, Your
Oh,
Honor.
you have heard. Hindi pa nga ako nagtatanong ng next question ko. Defensive ka na eh.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Commissioner La Peña, former Commissioner La Peña, Commissioner Feldon, do you believe that if the reforms that you have mentioned will be implemented dun sa sistema sa customs, if not totally eradicated yung TARA system, that can minimize the TARA system?
Yes, Your Honor, it can substantially minimize the TARA system.
General La Peña.
Yes, Your Honor. That can greatly minimize, if not stop, the TARA system.
So, tama din po ba that may budget na during your time, Commissioner Feldon?
Yes, sir, around 400 million plus. But when I assume, because it's a project of, I think, Commissioner Biason pa, but when I assume it's already subject of court litigation, so it was withheld and never implemented during my time because the case was not resolved during my time. So hindi ko alam after me if na-resolve yun at na-implement siya.
Nung time
Your
mo,
Honor.
thank you, Commissioner Feldon, nung time mo, Jen, La Peña, yung time mo, what happened to that, modernization plan? Or budget na mismo, budgeted na pala?
Beg your pardon, Your Honor. Are you referring to when you say organization, you are referring to the centralized command center?
I think we're talking about the proposed, supposedly the reform that former Commissioner Biason wants to implement, and it was during the time also of Commissioner Peldon. Kaya lang po nagkakaso daw. So, nung time mo, ano ba bang nangyari doon?
I did not come across that project of Commissioner Biason, Your Honor.
So, you're not familiar about it?
No, Your Honor.
Attorney, sa ngayon po, are you familiar with that? 2009 ka pa eh.
Your Honor, currently the Bureau of Customs is undertaking...
Again, please, Attorney, answer my query. You're the legal. The time legal ka na, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, now ang tanong ko na sa legal ka ng custom during the time, what happens now? Ano yung update doon? Doon sinasabi ni former Commissioner Paildon, a project during the time of Commissioner Biason, and pinalo up lang ni Commissioner Paildon, kailang may kaso. O, sa legal ka the time, ano na ngayon yung status noon? At what are the efforts being done by the present Commissioner?
Your Honor, as I've been saying a while ago, Your Honor, currently we are undertaking digitization of all our functions, Your Honor. And I think we are at the threshold of 90%. However, we are being handicapped by a certain case pending with the Manila trial courts, enjoining or stopping the Bureau of Customs from further improving its system, Your Honor.
Sino yung ano?
There's a case, Your Honor. It's a case filed against the Bureau of Customs by a certain Omniprime, Your Honor. Omniprime case.
Ano yung company niyan? Importer?
No, Your Honor. It's a service.
Ang case nyo is not all about the implementation of the project, but with regards to the...
With regards to the improvement of our system, computer system.
Pero ang nag-file ng case against you is...
Omniprime.
Ano yung Omniprime? Ano yung interest nila doon?
Your Honor, they participated in
A bidding.
bidding, Your Honor.
So it's not all about their intention to stop.
Yeah,
But because they are part of the bidding, tapos hindi po nabigay sa kanila, tama? Ganun po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. There
Now, is a different case that happens during the time of former Commissioner Paeldon and Commissioner Biason? It's a different case.
If my memory serves me right, Your Honor, I think it started with Commissioner Lina, Your Honor. Yeah, Commissioner Lina.
Okay, anyway, Mr. Chairman, since Chairman Navantes already moved that we will invite Commissioner Rubio, siguro po tama din lang na in the next hearing dapat po ipatawag natin si Commissioner Rubio para diretso po na masagot niya yung mga katanungan, especially those proposed reforms that was proposed by former commissioners of customs. Now, Mr. Chairman, punta ko lang po si Jimmy Guban. Jimmy, yung case na nakaharap mo ngayon, is that, sino ba yung source of information na may papasok na droga that time?
Your Honor, that came from Colonel Asierto and Colonel Fajardo.
Colonel Asierto and Colonel Fajardo then kinordinate sa'yo.
Yes, Your Honor. Dahil sa customs ako po na ang nag-monitor sa loob kasi hindi naman sila makakapasok.
Okay.
At wala silang direct line para sa customs.
So, may information, nahuli mo.
Together with PDEA, Your Honor.
Together with?
Your Honor, I am working inside of the Bureau of Customs together with PDEA.
Okay, with PDEA.
Representative of the PDEA, Your Honor.
Who is the head of the operations at the time? That
During that
coordinated
time,
you?
Your Honor, the director of NCR was then late Colonel Fajardo. Pero yung team leader niya sa port, I think a certain Bagawi in Soriano. Soriano testified, Your Honor, in court na we were together nung nagtinatrabaho namin yan. Agent Soriano,
So, Agent Soriano is still active in the PDEA?
I'm sure, Your Honor. Soriano in Bagawi, Your Honor.
PDEA? Hindi kasi, Mr. Chairman, ganito
Sir,
lang
will
po.
verify if it is
Yeah,
still active.
please verify it. Then, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move that we will invite a certain Soriano.
Intelligence Officer Soriano and Intelligence Officer Bagawi, Your Honor.
Intelligence Officer Soriano, Intelligence Officer Bagawi. Para magkalinawan lang po, kasi is General Aquino still present?
Yes, I think.
Kanina nakaupo siya eh. Nawala. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, since for the interest of time, ganito lang po. Pakiano lang po, kay General Aquino, be present in the next hearing because during your stint as the PDEA Director General, sa iyo po nangyari to, yung sa case nila Jimmy Guban. Kasi gusto ko lang tingnan, bakit yung information galing kina Asierto, at alam naman natin ngayon si Asierto nakatago. Testifying in the ICC, part of the, witnesses in the ICC. Tapos, sa inyo galing, sa kanila galing information, ikaw nag-operate, together with the PDEA, tapos kayo ngayon nakasuhan. Ayun ang hindi ko maintindihan. But your case, ang kaso mo is not part of that discovery doon sa Cavite that was mentioned by
No,
General
Your
Aquino?
Honor, that was already dismissed. Sa piskalya pa lang, wala na po yung Cavite, Your Honor. Ang i-final nila sa amin yung nahuli namin mismo sa loob. Dahil wala naman pong katotohanan yung Cavite.
Dati, Jimmy.
Yes,
dati.
Your Honor.
But ang Cavite was also filed against you.
Yes, Your Honor, but pagdating sa piskalya, dinismiss na po kaagad.
Ang kaso doon sa Cavite, that's also involved Asierto and Fardo.
Yes, Your Honor, pero...
So, tatlo pa rin kayo?
Yes, the same, Your Honor po. Kami pong tatlo
Hindi,
na...
tatlo lang kayo. No other than...
Meron pa po, Your Honor, yung may-ari ng magnetic lifter ng doon sa customs at saka yung certain tatlo o dalawang Chinese
Sana
po yata.
ngayon yung may-ari at saka yung dalawa, tatlong Chinese national.
Your Honor, nawawala po. Tapos pati po yung umamin na may-ari ng kargamento na nahuli sa loob ng customs, nawawala rin po.
Oh, please, Mr. Chairman, please, can we get all the names that was... matandaan mo pa ba yung mga pangalan, Jimmy?
Do you-
Taguba, Your Honor, Mr. Taguba, yung asawa, babae, Katipan. Umamin po yan, Your Honor, during the Senate
Mr.
hearing.
Chairman, can we ask the help of the CIDG or the Philippine National Police to locate those persons
Tigakalapan po yan, Your Honor.
mentioned by
Calapan City.
by Jimmy? Kasi kailangan patawag natin yan para tayo magkaalaman na kasi we will not discuss about the merit of the
Bicaba,
case.
Your Honor, Bicaba Trading.
This committee will not discuss about the merit of the case in regards to the case that has filed to you and now under appeal. What I'm saying is, medyo nakapagtataka lang kasi kayo pong may hawak ng information, kayo pa pong humuli, now, kayo pong nakasuhan. Yun lang po. Kaya we have to clear it out dun sa mga possible persons, no? Persons involved in that operations, Mr. Chairman. With that, as of now, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po muna. General Aquino, next time lang po. Kasi naghabol po tayo ng oras. I will ask you once again the question that I asked when you were not around. No? Next time na lang po.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Mr.
thank
Chair.
you.
Thank you,
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano. Comsec, please take note of the persons that Congressman Paduano would want to invite for the next committee hearing. Tapos na po yung ating hearing on the topic of illegal drugs. So we will now shift to the topic of extrajudicial killings. For the resource persons related po sa topic ng illegal drugs, you can be excused already unless you want to stay